In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a script in Infinityfree. If you want a simple way to get your website script online, Infinityfree gives you a built-in file manager that works especially well for smaller scripts, ideally under 10 megabytes. This method is quick, browser-based, and convenient when you don't want to use any extra software. First, go to the Infinityfree hosting accounts page and sign in to your Infinityfree client area. Once you're logged in, find the hosting account where you want to upload your script. On that account, click Manage. This takes you to the area where you can access the settings and tools connected to that specific hosting account. After that, click the Control Panel button. The Control Panel is where Infinityfree gives you access to important hosting features, including your files, domains, and other account tools. If you're new to Infinityfree, this is the section you'll return to often whenever you need to manage your website. Once you're inside the control panel, scroll down until you find Online File Manager, and then click it. This tool lets you upload and organize your website files directly from your browser. It's one of the easiest options for beginners because there's no setup involved. When the File Manager opens, look for the folder called htdocs and open it. This is the main public folder for your website, which means the files placed here can be accessed by visitors through your domain. If your script includes an index file, that file is usually what loads first when someone visits your site. Now click the Upload button, which is typically shown with an upward arrow icon. Then select your script files from your computer and begin the upload. Make sure you choose the correct files for your website or application. If your script came in a compressed folder, double check whether you need to extract it before uploading, since your site usually needs the actual script files inside the htdocs folder in order to work properly. Once the upload finishes, give the file list a quick review to confirm everything appears in the correct location. Keeping your files organized inside htdocs can save you time later if you need to edit, replace, or troubleshoot anything. That's it. You've now uploaded your script to Infinityfree using the Online File Manager. This is the best approach for small scripts and a great starting point if you want a straightforward upload process directly from your browser.